What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. In today's video, you're going to see me chopping up some fresh vegetables and putting them in bowls and, storage ideas for how I try to stay healthy during the week and always have some go-to vegetables to prep me a fast meal. Um, I'll let you know with these meals. You'll see in the videos later that I'll create with the vegetables. You can add proteins like shrimp, chicken, salmon, or you can just eat it by itself, with some rice or noodles or what have you. But yeah, thanks for watching my video today. And remember, subscribe to my channel. Trying to get my subscribers up so I can go live with you all soon. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's meal prep ideas on the fresh vegetables. Comment down below. Let me know if you try out, the meal preps and how it goes for you. Or comment down below. Let me know what you put in your weekly meal preps and how you stay healthy. In this video, you'll also see me create some turkey meatballs. That's a protein that I'll utilize this week for my meal preps, as well as some salads and how I create fast, easy, well blended green salad mix as well. So thanks for watching my video again. Remember, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it. It's your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. I hope you all enjoy the video, and I catch y'all on the next one. I hope y'all have a great week. Bye. Thanks for watching today's video. Here you'll see some salad prep additions. Also the final products of everything that you see me chop up here in the video to make life easier this week. This your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. to my channels on all social media platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you for watching today's video. It's your girl Jack from Zola Fresh Market. Bye.